What's up, guys? Just making a quick video. So I had this spoiler for a while. The only problem was one of the studs was broken on this side. So what I did was I was gonna try to tap it, like drill it and then tap it, and then try to put a 10mm bolt, but I just couldn't do it. I went through it and just made a big hole. So what I did was I found a bolt and a nut. And what I did, and then I got a big washer. So what I did, I welded the washer first, and then after that I got the nut inside the washer, welded that too. So right now it's just curing, and they put the bolt all the way until it just cools down, so it doesn't what's it called, warp or expand. So just leaving that, and then I'll probably just clean the welds and then paint it with some stop rust. And then I'm gonna try and mount this on the wagon just to see how it looks, because I have another one. It's brand new. It's just I need to attach it to the stock spoiler. This is a stock spoiler, and this is the aftermarket wing. This is the replica of the EF9 wing, the type, I think it's the spoon wing, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but like these have the studs. They're kind of a little rusted, but I just gotta clean them with a wire brush. And then this is a plug for the brake light. Whoever had it before, they added this their brake light under it, so it's pretty cool. That's a cool little mod. But I'm just glad I was able to do this. Don't judge the weld, guys. I'm still getting a little better at it. It's not the best, but it'll do the job. And then I have the little plastics that go here, the little covers, so I'll put those on, and then I'll try and install it hopefully tomorrow, and then I'll give you guys a little video on it as well. So keep you guys updated on it. See you guys in the next one.